Signature Bank's exit from digital markets forces Binance to raise transaction minimum to $100,000. Binance has announced that one of its banking collaborators, Signature Bank, will no longer serve any of Binance cryptocurrency exchange users as of 1st February 2023. This is due to the bank reducing its involvement in digital marketplaces. Consequently, customers may be unable to make transactions involving under $100,000 in cryptocurrency using Swift bank transfer. Binance is unaffected by Signature Bank's $8.1 billion in cryptocurrency deposit withdrawals. A representative for Binance has said that their other banking collaborators are unaffected.